Today I just wanted to do a really quick video to show you a permanent fix for the waist belt issue on the Think Tank FocusPoint. I have the 22 liter here, and I did a review not long ago on this bag. It was in the golden hour color. This is the Urban Rust. This is the one I decided to keep. But one of the problems that I had was how the waist belt was attached to the backpack. It had these clips here that ended up dangling off on both sides if you decided to take the waist belt off. So in order to remove the belt, you would have to unthread it through these clips and then set it aside or rethread it to put it back on. The other problem was if you wanted to leave it on and leave it all cinched up nice and tight and you weren't using it, then it made it difficult to open this flap up because it opens this way. What I decided to do was use a clip like this that I could attach to both sides of the belt. And what I did was I ended up just cutting off these clips. I used a pair of wire cutters and I just got in there and just snipped the plastic on both of these. So these are no good, no more, and they're done. But what I ended up with was two nice loops here. Okay, then I don't have these loops, resting up against my back with these plastic clips on there. I just think it was a really poorly thought out option for the waist belt. This is so much better. So this cost me $7.99 on Amazon. They're aluminum clips. And so you thread it just like you would on here, but they stay. You don't have to do anything. You can just take this off. So you can use the backpack just like this, or you can quickly and easily attach these just to go through the loop like this. Okay? And then go through this side here. It's just got a little clip here. You just push it in and you just slide it through. Now you can use the waist belt when you want, and you can easily detach it. Super easy. Just push the little clip in, slide it back, and it just pops right off. Now you can just store this either in the backpack or just store it somewhere else. I'm not going to be using the waist belt, so that was the reason why I had this problem. This is only a 22 liter backpack, and I'm perfectly fine with it just the way it is. I really don't need the waist belt, but I wanted the option of having it if I did. And this solves the problem, and I don't have those plastic clips just dangling there anymore. So these will all get tossed, and the backpack is ready to go. This is the one I'm going to keep. So if you've had that issue with this backpack, this is an easy solution. I'll put a link in the description for the clip that I bought. They're aluminum, like I said, really nice and strong. I only have to thread this through one time and it's done. And I can easily put it on and off the backpack whenever I want. So anyway, that's all I wanted to share today. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.